Summer lovin', and we are having a blast with our brand new Summerbrations 2023 Perks Pack. The season of sunshine, lake days, trips, and travel is upon us, and if creativity is your jam, well, we've got the perfect pack for you. This amazing Get Started kit is a beautiful blend of our latest and greatest products, plus a few classic fan favorite paste colors, mesh silkscreen transfers, and surfaces. You're going to get your pick of some amazing pieces with major project potential and perfectly paired transfers. You'll also get your hands on one of our brand new chalkable shapes from the Summerbrations 2023 collection, Outdoors and S'mores, with its coordinating transfer, and that's just a taste of what Chalk Couture has to offer. Your purchase of the Summerbrations 2023 Perks Pack also includes access to designer perks like 40% off retail pricing, membership in our amazing community of creators, and the opportunity to share and sell Chalk Couture products online, at events, in workshops, and more. Now, this amazing pack is available starting on April 1st, and for more details, talk to your independent designer or visit chalkcouture.com and get started today.